Hello there, train fans. Mr. B here at Tbone's Trains, continuing on the journey from my 1964 Marx train set oval to some new O-gauge fun. Today, I want to show you a 1940 Commodore Vanderbilt. This beauty was my father-in-law's childhood train set, and as you can see, just a couple drops of oil on the bearings, running just fine after all these years. Reverse gear working. Changed the headlamp bulb, but it must have come loose. The paint on the cars, as you can see, is really in nice shape. Nice and clear. Very few scratches or nicks. So as a child, he took really good care of this beautiful, beautiful train. But as an adult, he didn't store it so carefully. This poor Commodore Vanderbilt engine is operational, but cosmetically not doing so well. He expected dullness on the sand caps and all the bright work, but the paint is definitely suffering. The body is intact, no real dents or damage other than the deteriorated paint. I have replaced the body screws and the headlamp screw, but that and the bulb and a few drops of oil is all I've done to it so far. The badging, not too bad on the right hand side. Even the plastic smokestack is still intact, even though the bezel is horribly rusted. And the headlamp bezel, very corroded and rusted. Oh, and here's the side that was laying down in the cardboard box in a damp garage in Northern California for at least 30 years. So my plan is to disassemble this, take all the bright work off and restore it, and I think I'll de-rust and then sand down the body and give it a fresh coat of shiny black paint and see if we can get this beauty up and running in time for the holidays. So if you have any suggestions or comments, please either email me, tbonebush@yahoo.com, or use the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Let's have fun with trains.